Welcome back, student. The reaction is given below, and the question is asking which type of reaction this is: oxidation, reduction, disproportionation, decomposition reaction. You already know oxidation, what is oxidation reaction, and reduction reaction and decomposition reaction. Only you are some little bit difficulty is what is disproportional reaction. Disproportional reaction is the reaction in which both the same species undergone both oxidation and reduction reaction, that is disproportional reaction. Clear? Write down the oxidation state of chlorine here. This will be +1, and in this case this will be +5, and this is case this is 0. That means everything clear to you. Here the oxidation number of chlorine +1 has been changed to +5, and here oxidation number of your chlorine has changed to your 0. Here oxidation number increase, that is oxidation reaction. And here your oxidation number of chlorine has decreased, that is reduction reaction. But you observed the same species, that is chlorine, has undergone both oxidation and reduction reaction. I have already told disproportion reaction in which same species undergone oxidation and reduction reaction, and the chlorine has in this case undergone your oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. So the answer will be disproportionation reaction. The question was asked in 2001 IIT. Next, question number 2. This is question number 2. Among the following the species in which the oxidation number of element is +6. Only thing here is to calculate the oxidation number. Here oxidation number manganese will be -8, उधर जाने से ये हो गया +7, -1 +8, and this will be your -3 +6, and the oxidation number will be +3, and this will be to -2 +6, that will be +4. And in this case some little bit difficulty will be calculated to calculate the oxidation number, and by formula it will be, suppose oxidation number is x plus 2 into -2 plus 2 into -1 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to +6. That means oxidation number of chromium is +6 here. And the question is asking in which species the oxidation number of an element is +6. So our answer will be this much. This question asked in 2000 IIT. Next, question number 3. Hello, this is the question number 3. The volume strength of 1.5 NH2 is how much? This is the question for you. Before that, I am giving you the description that volume strength of H2O2 depends upon the volume of the oxygen evolved during the process. That means volume strength of hydrogen peroxide depends upon the volume of the oxygen, not upon the itself. This is the first, write down the equation. This is your H2O2, H2O plus O2. That means 2 mole of 2 वॉल्यूम ऑफ, जो आप बोल सकते हैं 2 मोल ऑफ H2O2 इज हाउ मच गिव्स हाउ मच ऑक्सीजन 22.4 liter of oxygen. That means 1 mole of H2O2 will give 11.2 liter of oxygen. This is the funda. And 1 mole of H2O2 is how many equivalent weight, how many gram equivalent? 1 mole of H2 dibasic acid, that means 2 number of equivalent by gram equivalent weight, and 2 number of equivalent weight is equal to 11.2 liter of oxygen. 1 number of equivalent weight will be 5.6 liter of oxygen. This is clear. One thing is given to you. This is 1.5 N. That means your normality is equal number of equivalent by number of gram equivalent upon volume of the solution in liter by 1.5 is equal to number of equivalent weight by gram equivalent weight, number of equivalent weight upon volume of the solution in liter. Volume of the solution कुछ पता नहीं v, that means 1.5 v is equal to 5 v is equal to number of gram equivalent by equivalent weight. This is use this information. You know that one number of equivalent weight equals 5.6 liter of oxygen. 1.5 v number of equivalent weight will equal how much? 1.5 v number of equivalent weight 1.5 will equal 5.6 into 1.5 v. After calculation it will be 8.4 v. Answer is this. Next question number 4. The question number 4, an aqueous solution of 6.3 gram oxalic acid dihydrate. Mark the 6 oxalic acid dihydrate. Oxalic acid is COH and dihydrate means 2H2O. The molecular weight will be 160 gram and your equivalent weight will be dibasic acid 1.63 gram. Clear? The volume of the 0.n NaOH required to complete neutralize. That means the equation will be that is N1 V1 will be N2 V2. Your volume of 0.1 NaOH required to complete. V2 is asked. N2 is given 0.n. Or your V1 is also given. This is V1 is also given. Only N1 you to find out. That means it will be found out by using data. This will be find out using data. Availing data you find out N1. N1 is equal to how much? N1 will be number of gram equivalent. Number of gram equivalent means क्या है ना weight upon equivalent weight 6.3 upon 63 and volume of solution in liter upon 1 upon 4 is this will be your 0.4. N1 is 0.4. Put the value that implies equation को बढ़ाइए. N1 is equal to 0.4 into V1. V1 is given, that is 10 ml. 10 ml. This is 10 ml. N2 is given 0.1 and V2 to find out. Calculate. That will be V2 will be 0.4 into 10 upon 0.1. That will be 40 ml. The answer will be 40 ml. Okay. Question number 5, and this is purely the problem is purely based on here balancing of a reduction reaction. If you balance the reduction reaction, that means 90% of the problem has been solved. That means we have to balance the first write down the your redox reaction. MnO4 minus plus needed to 1 mole of sulfite. This is sulfite will give rise to sulfate 2 minus plus Mn2 plus. This is the reaction, and I write down the half reaction. The half reaction will be what will be? First write down MnO4 minus gives rise to Mn2 plus. Okay, 4 number of oxygen atom, add 4H2O. This becomes 8H, add 8H plus 1. Then charge the balance. This is 8, this is minus 1. Net is 7, and in this case this is plus 2. How many electrons will be added? This is 7, and this is 2. How many electrons? 5 electron. If you add it, the charge will be balanced. Okay. Second portion come SaO3 2 minus gives rise to SaO4 2 minus. This is the equation. And here how many oxygen atom is here? Oxygen atom here 3 and it is 4. What will we do? Add. Okay, this is 2H, add 2H plus. Okay, then charge balance. This is 2 minus, this is minus 2 and this is 0. This is plus 2 and this is minus 2. 0, net is 0 and this is minus 2. What you will add? Add 2 electron. It will be, charge will be balanced. Okay, and to cancel out the electron, multiply here 2 and multiply here 5. Write down the equation. This will be 16H plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 2 electron. This side I have written 5 H2O plus 5 SO3 minus 2 minus. Okay, this portion covers, and this portion 2 Mn 2 plus 8 H2 cover plus 5 SO4 2 minus plus 10 H plus 10. 10 is cancel out and right, arrange and write. This is 16, what is 5 to 10 H plus, 5 to 10 H plus. This is 16 H plus, this is 10. It will be 6 H plus 2 MnO4 minus, and this is your 5 H2 वो उसी साइड में जाएगा, और 5 SO3 2 minus gives rise to, what is the result? 2 Mn 2 plus this is 8 H2 and this is 5 H2, 3 H2 and H is cover plus 5 SO4 2 minus. This is the net equation. And what you are observing? 2 MnO4 and 5 SO3. 5 SO3 requires 2 mole of 5 SO3 माने 5 SO3 means 5 mole of sulfide ion. 5 mole of sulfide ion requires 2 volume by 2 mole of MnO4 minus, that is K MnO4. 1 mole will require how much? 2 by 5 K MnO4. This is the request, that is to वो पूछ रहा है कि number of moles of KMnO4 that will be needed. How many mole of KMnO4 required? From 1 mole of sulfide, for 1 mole of sulfide 2 by 5 mole of KMnO4 is required. This is the answer. This is question number 5. Question number 6. That is question number 6, and this question is also purely based on your redox reaction and balancing the reduction reaction. If you balance the reduction, that means your problem will over. That means we will write the balancing of this redox reaction. This is H2O3 plus Cr2O7 2 minus. This is also 2 minus. Will gives rise to SO4 2 minus plus Cr3 plus. This is the reaction. Write down the half reaction. Your Cr2O7 2 minus gives rise to Cr3 plus, multiply 2, balance. Here 7 oxygen atom, add 7 water molecule, 14H plus, 14H, add 14H plus. Then balance the ion by electron exchange method. 14, this is 2. How much? 14 2. It will be 12. Net is 12. and in this case it is this is 12 and this is your 2 into 3 6. So charge will be how will be balanced? If you add 6 electron then it will be add 6 electron covers. Next portion S2O6 S2O3 gives rise to SO4 2 minus multiply 2. Here oxygen atom, number of oxygen atom 3, here 8. What you will do? Add 5H2. Okay, this is 10H, add 10H plus. Now balance the charge. This is 2 minus, net is minus 2 and this is 10 minus 4 6, this is plus 6. How will you balance? If you add how much 8 electron, then it will be balanced. Okay, this portion covers. This is 6 electron, this is 8 electron. Obviously it will be multiplied by 4 and this will be multiplied by 3. Okay, write down the final equation. 56 H plus plus 4 Cr2O7 2 minus plus 24 E plus this side 15 H2O plus 3 H2O 3 2 minus will gives rise to 8 Cr3 plus 28 H2O plus 6 SO4 2 minus plus 30 HA plus 24 electron. This is the cut. What will remain? 56 H plus 36 H plus 26 H plus. Okay, 4 Cr2 O7 2 minus plus 15 H2O, that is, this will go this side. That means this cover and this remain 3 H2 O3 2 minus. Okay, everything covers. 8 Cr3 plus this will be 13 H2O, this cover plus 6 SO4 2 minus, this has been covered. This is the final equation and we have to just evaluate the equivalent of K2Cr2SN based on this equation. Equivalent weight, you know, equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight upon what? Change in oxidation number. Change in oxidation number for formula unit, you know, is equal to molecular weight. That means molecular weight is, you know, molecular weight of chromium, molecular weight अपन चेंज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर पर फार्मूला यूनिट. इसमें चेंज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कितना होगा, दैट इज द मैटर. दिस इज क्रोमियम, योर ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इज, आई एम शोइंग हियर, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इज 6. हियर क्रोमियम ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर 3. हियर इट इज क्रोमियम 2, just to multiply 2 into 6 2 into 3 equal to 12 minus 6. What is 6? Molecular weight upon change in oxidation per formula unit is 6. That is molecular weight by 6. The answer is C. Question number 7. The equivalent weight of amino sugar is a half of its molecular weight and converted to dash. इसका मतलब है कि इसमें कौन सा रिएक्शन में जो रिएक्शन कन्वर्जन होगा उसमें चेंज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर पर फार्मूला यूनिट विल बी 2. दैट मीन्स मोलिकुलर इक्विवेलेंट वेट है मोलिकुलर वेट का हाफ होगा. यही क्वेश्चन है, उसमें और कुछ नहीं. कन्वर्जन में ये MnSO4 को फर्स्ट ये कन्वर्ट करिए Mn2O3 में, ये -6 ये +6 ये हो गया +2. फार्मूला यूनिट के हिसाब से होने से ये कितना होगा, ये हो गया 3 हो जाएगा. ये Mn करने से 3 हो जाएगा. ये 2 चेंज कितना होगा 3 - 2 = 1. लाइकवाइज दिस इज फॉर ए. ऑप्शन ए. बी के लिए कितना होगा इसमें आपको तो मालूम है कि MnSO4 में ये 2+ MnO2 ये +4। चेंज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कितना होगा 2 इन दिस केस इन ऑप्शन बी 2। इन ऑप्शन सी दिस इज -8 इट 7 MnO4 -4 में ये 7 है और उसमें 2 है। चेंज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कितना होगा चेंज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर पर फार्मूला यूनिट विल बी 7 - 2 = 5 C = 5। डी केस में -8 +6 होगा MnO4 2 - +6। चेंज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर पर फार्मूला यूनिट कितना होगा व्हाट विल बी 6 - 2 = 4। इसमें 2 है बी में 2 है। इसमें जहाँ चेंज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर पर फार्मूला यूनिट 2 वही उसी में इक्विवेलेंट मल्टीप्लाइड का आधा होगा।